Moving out of your property can be stressful. Here are a few tips to make the move-out process go as smoothly as possible. We require that all residents give a written 60-day non-renewal notice to their property manager. This will help ensure that both parties have time to prepare for the move. Before your scheduled move-out day, utilities. Please have any utilities that are in your name turned off on the day of your move-out. Do not have them turned off prior to your move. Past due balance. All past due monies, including but not limited to rent, late charges, service of notice fees, and maintenance costs, must be paid in full before vacating. Property condition. Please note that your unit must be returned to rent-ready condition upon move-out, and all damages must be repaired properly. All hard floors must be swept or vacuumed and mopped. Please be sure to have all personal property, including any furniture and trash, removed from the property. Make sure all lights, smoke detectors, and carbon dioxide detectors are in working order with working bulbs and batteries. All painted surfaces must be returned to the original color. Failure to exactly match the color will result in additional charges. Pets. Any pet damage must be repaired. Forwarding address. Please send your forwarding address to your property manager. Our accounting department will work on returning your security deposit as quickly and efficiently as possible. On your scheduled move-out day. Keys. Please return all keys to the main office in a sealed, labeled envelope with your name and address. When exiting the property, please have all doors and windows locked and secured. After move-out day. Move-out inspection. Once you have moved out of the property, a Rentwell team member will conduct a final inspection to determine the property conditions. If any repairs are needed that are not considered normal wear and tear, they will be directly taken from your security deposit. Security deposit. If your property is left in rent-ready condition and your property owner hasn't made any deductions to your deposit, it will be processed within 30 days of your move-out date. If repairs are needed, we will process any remaining portion of the security deposits within 30 days with a disposition letter notifying you of all charges. Please notify your property manager if your move-out date changes. In the event that you do not vacate the property on your scheduled move-out date, and without prior written arrangement, you will be charged a rental fee of $200 per day. If you have any questions, please contact your property manager. Thank you for choosing Rentwell. It was a pleasure having you as a resident.